Every year, millions of tomatoes begin a journey from fields to your table. But what really happens inside a ketchup factory?
A flavor loved across generations. Behind these doors lies a world of precision, speed, and secret recipes. Let's step inside to witness the full process of how ketchup is truly made.
Freshly picked tomatoes arrive straight from the fields.
Only the best tomatoes qualify.
Each batch is sorted using high-precision sensors.
Smart cameras detect color, size, and quality.
Bubble tanks gently clean delicate skin.
Rotating drums separate sizes and remove stems.
A quick blanch loosens the skin.
Mechanical fingers remove the skin in seconds. Now the transformation begins. High-speed blades turn tomatoes into fine pulp. This thick paste is the foundation of ketchup.
The paste is heated to remove bacteria.
Vacuum technology thickens the mixture without losing flavor. Now comes the taste: salt, sugar, and spices.
Each brand uses a unique secret spice blend.
Massive mixers blend everything into a smooth base. Vinegar gives ketchup its signature tanginess.
Subscribe my channel for more videos.
Air is removed to avoid foam and oxidation.
Every batch is taste tested before approval.
Microbial tests guarantee safety.
Only approved batches move forward. Clean bottles prepare for filling. Air jets remove tiniest dust particles. Precision nozzles fill each bottle evenly.
The iconic thick texture, captured in slow motion.
Caps are sealed with perfect torque. Heat tunnels add tamper-proof safety. Labels applied with zero misalignment. Laser coating ensures traceability. A gentle polish for that glossy finish. The line moves at incredible speed.
Humans still perform the final judgment.
Robotic arms handle the heavy lifting.
Each carton is sealed and labeled.
Automation keeps everything efficient. The final ketchup awaits distribution.
From factory to market to the world.
And finally, it reaches your kitchen. A flavor loved across generations.
Made for happy moments.
This is how ketchup is truly made.
Welcome to Inside World Factory.